Yes. Pounders. Yep, we're going for the pounders. Oh my God. Alright, you guys, I just got gas. It's like 30 degrees out. I'm freezing. And we're going to go ride the Ducati. Oh yeah, we're making a beer run on the Ducatis. Actually what we're doing. I need food too, but I got food at home. So, beer run it is. It's going to be a short vlog, baby. I have so many clothes on that like I can barely turn my head. Yep, beer 99. Let's go, baby. All these people think I'm crazy. Whee! It did say ice on here just a few minutes ago. Doesn't say it now, but we'll go for a little rip, and then we're gonna make a beer stop. I never do nighttime vlogs, so hopefully you guys can see. I don't know. I'm trying, you guys. It might be 30 degrees, baby, but there's no snow on the ground. I feel like it's been a while. Well, I know it has, but I think I forgot. I forgot how to do this, you guys. I no longer know how to do this. I'm just kidding. Look at the roads. Look weird. It's like condensation. I probably shouldn't be riding this, but give her the old onion, baby. Oh, it feels so good. It feels amazing. I want you guys to do the math on what the wind chill is. Let's just say it is, I think probably around 37 degrees out. And I'm doing 42 miles an hour. So you guys do the math on the wind chill. Is it close to zero? I don't know. I don't know what the wind chill. I'm not a meteorologist, but it's gonna be a short vlog. I just wanted to get the bike out. I had to work all day. It's beautiful. And so I'm going to be a trooper tonight. And I'm honestly, you guys, I'm thinking of buying like a shitty $300 bike and putting like an 8-foot swing arm on it with studded tires. I want to put maple syrup in the oil. I probably shouldn't say that, but I want to do a bunch of weird, awesome stuff. So if you guys want me to do that, comment below. If you just want me to ride around, let's just keep on riding, baby. Damn, this chick is tweaking hard as fuck. Oh my God, she is on fucking crack cocaine. Super sketch. Super sketchy. I don't think I've ridden this bike in a month, at least a month and a half. I miss you guys a lot. Like, I want to upload all the time, and it's absolutely freezing out. But what I'm thinking about doing next year is buying a toy hauler. Like, basically, if you don't know what a toy hauler is, it's an RV with a like a shop on the back, and it's got a door that drops down so I can fit my bikes in there. And I'm thinking about taking off for about a month and a half, in the middle of winter and going to like Arizona, California, traveling around, just making awesome videos for you guys. I gotta find a toy hauler that's reasonable, but I think it's a very doable thing, and I think it'd be awesome, honestly. I need beer and it's freezing, so here it is. Off sale, baby. Yeah. Oh yeah. What should I get? Should I get a little 6-pack? This chick's laughing at me. This chick is laughing at me. A little brew. Yes. Yes. Pounders. Yep, we're going for the pounders. Oh my god. Oh my god, they're falling out. This is awkward. Sorry. I didn't want him to pop out.
Oh, you lost one. Okay.
Okay, we got brew. I was gonna go get food too, but my backpack's getting kind of heavy, so I might just head home. Everyone's staring at me. They don't know what's going on. Like that dude just asked me if I was on. Did you ride a bike? Yeah. So everyone is in shock. Let me pull up my pants. All right, let's get this brew into the fridge. I accomplished my goal, ladies and gentlemen. I said I was gonna go and make a beer run on my motorcycle in 30-degree weather. And that's what I did. It's kind of sketchy. I don't know, these nighttime vlogs. Don't know how much you can see, but we're dealing with it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I love you guys, and I'm gonna try and get some more videos some way or another. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna figure it out. I love you. Subscribe, notifications, ring the bell, do whatever the big YouTubers tell you to do, I guess. And until next time, you guys, peace. I don't know if you can see my hand. Adios, amigos.